So we are at Leesylvania Park, and we are working with the Chesapeake Bay Foundation to look at water pollution and water and air quality. At an IB school, fifth graders get to do an exhibition project. So they pick something that they are passionate about and want to help change the world. So these particular kids all picked water pollution. And this year we decided to give them sort of an experience to help them learn more and kind of see what careers can blossom from these types of topics.
It's important to have these type of field trips because we could learn more about the environment and how it's good to help the environment.
The Chesapeake Bay Foundation is a nonprofit organization that focuses on environmental education, litigation, and restoration. We're getting the students out here hands-on in their environment. We have caught fish and done seining. We've done dip nets. We've also done water quality, testing the water to see how healthy it is. Letting them kind of see what they learned in the classroom and bringing it to the real world.
Not only does it further their learning from the research that they've done, but even in fifth grade, they can kind of start looking at what kind of jobs they can do in the careers, especially here in Prince William County, where they have all these specialty programs that they can do starting in middle school. It really makes them sort of think about their future and what they might like to do. And they may even realize that there's jobs that they didn't realize they could do within these different fields.